JD Camp 26 here, just do tips, repairs, and hobbies. And how you guys doing today? I'm going to show you how to read this little fine print on this bottle. So let's get to it. What we're going to do is we're going to take your iPhone, okay, and we're going to go into the camera. And I'm going to have these instructions, matter of fact, for you down in the description in the comments. When you go into camera, you want to tap on photo. After that, tap on 2.5x. Okay, you tap on 2.5x, and then you get a very nice close proximity of what it says on the bottle. And then point your camera to the object. Okay, and tap on the autofocus. Take a picture. Okay, once you take a picture, you can view it in your album. Okay, and there's all what you want to read in your album, okay, of that bottle. Now say if it's a dark area and you can't see it, what you want to do is go into camera. You're going to tap on camera and you're going to go to 2.5x again, photo, and then from the bottom swipe up, and there's a little lightning bolt. See the little lightning bolt there? Tap on that. That's your flash. Okay. Tap on flash. Hit on. See on right there? You hit on. And then therefore when you take the photo, your flash will go off. Okay. So that's what I want to show you today. Some people have problems even with bifocals, not able to read the print on things, and I thought, this is a good video to do for all you guys out there. Even on your printer, some printers have very small screens. You can use it on that to read what's going on with your printer. Take a picture of the printer, the error or whatever on the screen, or what stage you're at, and you can read it on your iPhone, very clearly. You can pinch it open and read it. So that's what I want to show you today. If you have any questions about this process, let me know in the comments below, and I hope you have a really good day. Thanks for watching. Going into video here, and I'm going to show you in video on this, and see how the bottle print is like that. I'm hitting 2.5x. You see how it expanded, and you can see the print on the bottle. So you could do it with video as well. Okay, thank you.